Johnson & Wales University, for 50 years, has graduated food thinkers and food professionals. Every year since its inception, Ecolab Center has supported our Future Food All-Stars Challenge, where the students themselves become the entrepreneurs.
We entered the Future Food All-Stars competition in 2022. We were the winners of last year. We took culinary byproducts and turned them into an edible product that could be consumed.
The Ecolab Center there is important because it's how we provide those student competitors the resources they need to actually prototype and design and use campus spaces to, on the day of competition, actually put something in front of the judges' faces.
We were able to take our concept from this initial idea that we had and actually take it to launch, develop the product, pitch it, and ultimately get funding for it at the end of the day. The skills are very transferable. The communication skills that you learn, how to not only pitch your concept, but pitch yourself.
Our partnership with Ecolab has been meaningful in any number of ways. First of all, that partnership really allowed us to get our Sustainable Food Systems bachelor's degree program and our master's program in food innovation and technology up and off the ground and running.
Receiving the Ecolab scholarship has helped me grow in my field of studies here at JWU because I was only planning on being here for 4 years to get a culinary bachelor's degree, but then I was able to get a baking one as well. So now I'm here 5 years instead. This has been like the best time of my life. They have helped me financially so that I can really just focus on school and learning and not have to worry so much about money and funds.
The most direct way that we connect students with client-driven work in the Ecolab Center is through directed experiential education courses, where we'll put together a team of students around a very specific real-world problem or project. That's where students get to interact directly with a complex problem and real people.
Because of Ecolab support, I've learned that it doesn't matter how weird the idea is, it doesn't matter how different it is if it doesn't even exist. Try to pursue it, talk about it with people, and see what people think.
What we're doing toward the future is building on that 50-year legacy of crafting food professionals who have the requisite technical skill and soft skills and creativity and really big picture understanding of the food system to go and change it through the way they do their jobs.
My experience in the competition has definitely taught me to pursue your dreams and pursue what you're passionate about. There'll be an opportunity out there and it'll come eventually and you just have to follow it.